Hello, my little creatives, and welcome back to another episode of Drawfully Fun Draw with me. Today we're going on an underwater adventure and drawing my adorable and happy little seahorse. So let's get started. We're going to start our drawing off with one eye today, only one eye, and it's going to start with a rainbow curve right in the middle of the page, like that. On top of our rainbow curve, let's go ahead and do a big old oval that looks like a big hot air balloon. Big oval all the way around. There we go. Now I want my seahorse I want my seahorse to look to the left. So that means our pupil is going to face the left. There we go. Boop. And let's do that stripe. Let's set up to get that cute ladder in our eyes. Boop. There we go. And let's climb all the way up to the tippity top. For those of you that have never been here before, this is where the color of your eye goes. This is Drawfully Fun Ladders. The outside is going to stay white. The inside is going to get that color. And no, the middle, I'm sorry, not the inside. The middle is going to get the color. And the outside is going to be that black pupil. But before we can fill this all in black, let's do our sparkles. Big old sparkle on top. And a little one on the bottom, like that. Looking good, looking good. But if you all know me well enough, we don't like empty eyes here at Drawfully Fun. We like to color our pupils. So let's go ahead and get those pupils nice and shaded in. Get that cute factor up by at least 5 points. There we go. She's so cute. Let's go ahead and give her some eyelashes. Some cute flushing eyelashes. Look at that. All the way across. Nice. All right. Oh, don't forget the eyebrow. Haha. There we go. Now the next step, we're going to create a jawline that also transition into her big old snout. So from the right side of her eye, we're going to start our happy face curve. So it's going to come from here, and we're going to kind of end it more or less on the same path line right here. So right around here, big old happy face curve all the way to the left. Bring it around and up. So it's a really big happy face curve. Now this is not the actual smile. This is the jawline. The jawline that goes into the snout. Okay. We're going to continue this line and create that snout right up here. We're going to curve this around, make a small little bubble, dip it down, and then we're going to go into the forehead line all the way up. Up, all the way back. And we're going to continue this line until we can come down to where her fin is going to go. So I'm going to kind of guide myself to more or less the bottom of her eye, just about right there. And we're going to bring this line all the way around. And kind of stop right there, more or less. There you go. Let's go ahead and give her a little smile. A cute little smile right there. Now I know seahorses don't have smiles there, but come on guys. It's a cartoon. We gotta make it look smiley. We gotta make it look cute. Technically, this is the mouth of the seahorse right up here. That's where they suck up all that food. They go and they suck up their food like a little vacuum. So we'll just say, for cartoon sakes, let's give it a smile, shall we? All right, let's go ahead and do a little fin right here on the side. So right here, it's going to look kind of like a sideways heart, a bubbled up sideways heart. So we'll start with a happy face curve going out and turning into a bubble. Going down, turn it into maybe even an elephant ear. And around and up. Bring this all the way up, like that. There we go. You can also add the little texture lines to your fin right here. 1, 2, 3. I actually want to bring this up a little higher. Maybe about right here. Yeah, make it a little thinner. Awesome. Looking good. Looking good. Now, before we can move on to the rest of the shape here, I want to go ahead and start creating all of the hair that's along the backside here. So right here on the top of the head, we're going to make it look like they're little flames of fins. They're technically fins, but on my drawing, we're going to call it mohawks. So we're going to draw a big old flame looking mohawk. It's going to go up in an S-shaped curve into a point and bring it down like that. Okay, and we're just going to continue this shape going down until we get to the fin. So we'll do it again. We'll come up from here and bring it in. Okay, let's continue that all the way down. Another one. Start curving downwards. Follow the shape of your body. Boop. And another nice big one. I think on one more here. Right there. And close it out to the bottom. Boop. She's looking good. All right. Let's continue that shape of the body. So right here from behind the fin, we're going to follow this little invisible path that we have and create a little curve, but not too far because we're going to create another fin. That's right. She's going to have two fins, one on top, one on the bottom. But this one's going to be a little different. It's going to be similar to this, but without this little bump in the middle. So right here, we're going to start off again with a happy face curve and just do a big old bubble going all the way around. Around, 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 and up. Boop. Just a regular old fin. And of course, texture line. There we go. She's looking amazing. Now, I want to go ahead and create the belly line. Well, no, let's go to the back first. Let's continue this little shape right here. So from here, we're following this path, continue following this little invisible line, and go downwards. And we're going to create a big old curve going down like that. This is eventually where we're going to get that swirl around, that little curl on the tail. Okay. Now we're going to do the belly line. So right here from under the jaw, we're going to come out and pop out a little belly. Follow that other shape of the body, bring it around, and kind of leave off where you left off on that first one, right here. So we have a big old belly going all the way around, and then we're going to connect this into a big old swirl. So let's start for the inner swirl first. We're going to continue this line right here. You can swirl it as much as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. Like that. And let's follow the same shape. Bring this around. All the way around. And finish it off with a little rounded tip. I don't want to make mine too sharp. I like it nice and round to give it soft edges. There you go. So she's got a nice little curled tail. And we got to go ahead and also do an inner belly. So I'm going to create a shape here, kind of like what dragons and reptiles have. We're going to come over here from the jawline, kind of bring this down from here, and then create a little belly line. That also turns into a tail. Like that. Not too far down. We don't want to go all the way over here. We just want to go right here. And this is where we're going to do some stripes, kind of like ladders in our eyes. The little scales under the belly. Like that. So continue these little curves all the way down into the tail. Ta-da! Look at that. She looks amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, let's continue kind of the shape here. Let's do kind of like if we have little hair in the back. Two little bumps. Nothing fancy, just to give the illusion that we have some more color going down there. And let's add some bubbles. I want to add some bubbles up here. So I'm just going to do this. Little itty bitty ones turning big. A bigger one right here. Maybe a nice big one right here. Whatever you like, just to show that there's a little effect of bubbles. Let's take a quick look around. Anything are we missing? No, that is it, guys. This was a quick drawing. Very easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's what I say to my kids all the time. If you completed this, please tag me on social media. Send a picture of your completed seahorse. And let me go ahead and show you my completed version. All right, guys, if you liked what we did here today, go ahead and give me that big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of all of my future content. All right, guys, until the next time, happy creating.